In this video, we will understand how to disable a service. To access this screen, log into SuperAdmin, navigate to Master Services. For an example, I no longer provide alteration as a services to any of my store. I can click on alteration or a service and then click on inactive. This will mark alteration as an inactive services in all of the stores. As you can see, it is displaying a small indicator that this service is inactive. As another example, I have 3 stores and I provide steam ironing as a services in only one store. So to disable a service in one or selected stores, I can click on steam ironing or the service name. Now I need to modify the workflow, service workflow. So I need to click on this link. Here I can choose whether this service is active or inactive. Let me make it inactive. Now, when I try to save this services, it will show me the options to perform the same action on all of the stores or on a selected store. Here I am disabling this service on store 3. So it means steam ironing will be available on store 1 and store 2, but steam ironing will be disabled on store 3. Let me click on save, update, it's done. As you can see, we do not have inactive icon here in steam ironing because steam ironing is still active in 2 of the stores. Now we will log in into the store and then check the impact of this action. Here I am logged in into store 1. I am searching for a customer and then we'll try to create an order. As we can see now, while creating an order, as we can see, alteration is not available here as a services. However, steam iron is still available because we are logged in into store 1 and this store have steam iron activated. Now I am logged in into store 3 and I will perform the same action. I search for a customer, click on create order, and then when I try to add a garment, as we can see now here, only dry cleaning as a service is available. We have disabled alteration in all of the store and we have disabled steam ironing in store number 3. So this way we can disable a service or on all of the stores, or if required, we can disable and enable service on selected store. Thank you. I hope it helps.